Hello, and welcome to this series of guides to Star Citizen navigation and exploration. In this short first video, we will cover the basics of orbital markers. Let me first introduce myself. My name is Graupunkt and I am from Germany and addicted to Star Citizen exploration, Excel sheets and code writing. I am part of an exploration community called the Meridian. So, if you want to participate in exploration, navigation, you have any questions, or just want to grab the tools we use in this series, join our Discord server. I will put a link in the description as well as in the top right corner of this video. So, first of all, let's look at our planets. This is an example for every planet we currently have in the game. All planets are placed with the North and South Pole in the same orientation. Now, let's look at the rotation of a planet. As you can see, all planets rotate in the same direction. Therefore, we can say the Sun rises in the east and sets in the west, just like on Earth. What's also similar like on Earth, CIG raised the Stanton star above the plane of the planets. This causes that close to the North Pole we have always daylight and close to the South Pole always night. Based on where you are, the day and night duration are different. Let's add some more details like orbital markers. Here we have a total of 6 orbital markers. Each of 2 can be considered as a pair because they are placed on the same axis. In this case, I marked each pair with a different color. To make it easier to understand, let me add the responding axes. So, we have here the red x-axis with OM5 and OM6. Then the green axis with OM3 and OM4 as pair. And finally, we have OM1 and OM2 at the z-axis. So each marker has the same distance to the planet's center. Since they rotate with the planet, they are considered as static objects we can use for navigation on planets. For example, we are at a random spot on this planet, like this one here. If you want to mark down this spot, you just need to grab the distances of the orbital markers. We need at least one of each pair, like I will show here. We can grab OM1, OM3 and OM6, and with the planet surface as force value, we are able to find the spot anytime again. So the surface doesn't need to be noted down, so grab these 3 and you're fine to go. Ideally, it's better to write down all 6 OM distances, just in case you want to approach from a different angle or just want to use the orbital marker that's currently in front of you. To get back to the spot, you usually fly towards 2 or 3 orbital markers until all fit. But there are some disadvantages of this method. It's not very efficient in regards to travel time, and CIG tends to change the OM distances sometimes. If they do, you might end up with wrong values. You might be able to convert this, but again, this is very time consuming. A better way to mark down points of interest on planets will be covered in a later video, where we will return to this diagram and explain what's going on with these 3 axes and what local coordinates are. Until then, I hope you did learn something, and if there are any questions, ask me here, or better, join our Discord server, where you have many passionate and helpful people around.